going too far because I'm wearing white shoes. I just wanted to stop by, show you guys this location because I always come by this location, but I rarely ever stop here. Come on, let me hear you say, let's go undercover. I wanna be your lover. I don't want the games they play. It's not us, so we better stay. Is it real? Could this be a new beginning? Ooh, my whole world falls apart with just the thought of you. But there's a fire in my soul that keeps me spinning. Ooh, and screaming, now is the time to follow through, follow through. It's nice not having anywhere to be. I was pulled off on the side of the road here. I picked up a stick and now I'm just chilling by a river. I don't have anywhere to be. I mean, I got to get to my campsite, of course, but like there's no specific time I need to be anywhere. Like I'm not waiting for anyone. I'm just enjoying life as it is. I'm just enjoying the little things like picking up a stick. Do we ever just like pick up sticks, you know? I mean, personally, I pick up a lot of sticks. I don't know. That's my motivational quote for today. Pick up a stick. It's nice. It's nice to just pull off the side of the road somewhere random. I've never been here before. Just enjoy it. I mean, this hump thing is kind of ruining the aesthetic, but apart from that, it's pretty damn nice. When you're driving down a road, you see a little path off road that you might want to go down. Go down it. I mean, it's not that far off the road, as you can tell. But like, it's still nice. Anyways, I'm just talking about shit, so I'm gonna head off now. So I will see you soon. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't leave you here. You're expensive. I need you. Ah, my feet are so dirty. Why did I decide to wear white shoes? Stupid. I saw a sign down the road. It was saying tourist attraction 300 meters on the right, and I was like, I'm a tourist, and I saw the fish, so I had to check out the fish anyways. How's that weather? Okay, so basically I'm leaving on the Monday. I don't know if you can see it, and as soon as I leave, the weather starts to get better. Throughout the whole week, it's just gonna be raining, and it's just gonna be shit. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sunny, starts rising up to 26 degrees. But you know what? We can't complain. We're making the best of it. We're still alive. We're living life. Okay, the road seemed very sketchy for such as like it's two-wheel drive Volkswagen. I honestly wasn't expecting to actually get through, but we're all good. I'm just gonna park down here real quick. So I don't know which one's area 2. Visitors up there. But apart from that, this is ours. And roughly about an hour of trying to set up camp, I started to get a little suspicious about how good this spot next to the river really was. And then to my disappointment, I found out I was supposed to be on the other side of the campground. I didn't even know what the point of that was, so... I double checked the number of my campsite and the number was 19 and my campsite was booked for number 9. I originally booked number 9 thinking number 9 will be the closest to the river, but apparently not. Number 9 is the furthest away from the river. Pack up my stuff all the way back up the hill and now I'm here at the very top. It'll get better. It'll be right. We'll figure it all out. It'll be fine. No stress. I think I've got most things sorted. I have a little bit of reception, which is a nice thing to know. Trying to send messages is a bit difficult. Currently, right now, I'm actually getting really good reception. Like I'm able to contact the group that I'm camping with.
getting wet. You have no idea how long that took me. I only recorded like probably 10% of what I was doing, even less, 5%. And I finally got some sort of shelter. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. I know it doesn't look like much. All right, let me show you. So after a lot of trial and error, I decided to finally actually hook these up to the actual tarp. Oh, actually that's not good. Wait, now that I look at it, all the water's just gonna run off onto my tent. I'll put those ones up higher, these ones lower, that'll go down. What I'm going to do is get this rope here, attached to this tree. So therefore I need that one. Looks stupid, I know. I've got a piece of dirt on the roof there, and this will hopefully weigh it down so then all the water comes this way instead of that way onto my tent. I have just had the most genius idea. There was an extra rope from this rope hanging off. Threaded it back under, and I'm using it as a clothesline. And then this is my light. It hooks up here. I was honestly really demotivated to set this whole thing up, and now look at it. What the was that? Some just big bang over there. Anyways. Bacon, got some water boiling, some gnocchi, and we're going to chuck up with some pesto. Ah, the wings are strong enough.
I was on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we liked what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open
door. Ah, you're good. But it's good. Do you guys want a tea or coffee?
We were bound to make mistakes. Real love, we thought. It was always on fire. Our house, our dream.
So just picked up some groceries. I got my dinner for the next night. For tonight we've got sausages. Next night after that I've got chicken, rice, and a couple of veggies, so a bit of a stir fry. And we got a bunch of other snacks and stuff too. So they're currently, at the moment, they are filling up some water.
I had a reason to complain.
Shortly after my little sausage dance, I decided I wanted to relax. So I got out my cool new hammock. And, well, yeah, I'll just let you see for yourself. I worked so hard on that.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light started,
We do.
Yeah.
I don't know the lyrics.
Why did you suggest a song?
Because it's a good song.
and now there's something.
Guys, fan, please, where's my security?
Amelia, why is it really you? Like, what was the inspiration for the Udi? What's the inspiration for the Udi, Amelia? Maddie, what's the inspiration for the Udi?
Easy on her tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Hello? The next day, I cooked up the usual while Maddie and Amelia were packing up their camp, as they unfortunately had to head home. I'll see you guys same spot next weekend. I'll still be here. And then there was one. So the plan is now to rearrange my camp now that I have it all to myself. So I'm going to move my swag over to that tree just over here.
I'm here waiting till the fall. We're all
And because I have plenty of spare time, I decided to make some adjustments to my campsite. I then packed up from the essentials into my car and went to go get some supplies from town. Paper towel, water, and maybe bread. No, I don't need bread. Do I need bread? No, I don't need bread.
all the love summer become your way. All your pain fade to memory one
So unfortunately I broke the microphone around this time, so there's no audio for this one, but long story short, the people camping next to me left and went to go explore around, and I found their fire pit, and of course I had to have it for myself, so I brought it over to my camp, got a heap of firewood from small sticks and twigs, medium sticks to much larger pieces of wood. And just behind my campsite I found this big log. Luckily for me, I had my saw blade in the back of the car to cut it down to size.
feels of cloud.
And to my surprise, the wood on the inside was completely dry. Except for this one.
All the love summer become your way. All your pain fade to memory one day.
Okay, no, they're my veggies. You can't have those. I don't know if the audio was filming properly because this was bent. I hope it still works. So I don't know if the audio was captured or not.
All the love will somehow become your way. All your pain will fade to memory one day.
Shortly after dinner, it was time to start the fire. At first, I thought I'll be able to start the fire with good old flint and steel. And about 10 minutes of trying later, I realized everyone who's done this before must have been really good at visual effects because this shit's impossible.
You know what? I tried.
But not to worry, I had a backup.
In the cold,
Can't even light it with a match.
we both look for a sign, and you say these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. Yes,
It's about 9 o'clock at the moment. The earliest I've ever slept in my life, but like, I'm tired and I've got nothing else to do. Fingers crossed it's not raining tomorrow morning, because then I have to pack up in the rain and I really don't want to do that. It'd be nice falling asleep to this though. Hey. Everything's so wet. Oh no. My boots are wet too. It's not a very good cover, I'll be honest.
now is the time to follow through, follow through. We go undercover, I will be your lover. We're up through night and day. Come on, let me hear you say, let's go undercover. I wanna be your lover. I don't want the games they play.
So unfortunately now it's time to pack up the camper, pack up the swag and pack up the car. Currently 8:30, I could probably stay longer, but I mean I don't really want to if I'm honest with you. It's just the fact that everything's wet, I feel miserable.
Go undercover, I will be your lover. We're up through night and day. Come on, let me hear you say, let's go undercover. I will be your lover. I don't want the games they play. It's not us, so we better stay.
Remember to leave everything the way you found it. I found that rock there, I found that stick there, I found that leaf there. That ice I also found there, that was there before, I swear. Oh, sorry. One more rope. Forgot about this one. It's sad to go. Not really. I do want to go home and have a nap. And I did have a good time, so I can't complain with that. And now the weather starts to clear up and it stops raining now, of course, as I'm leaving.